This is a DZO ARCANA Anamorphic lens set, a new series of full-frame 1.5X anamorphic lenses that sound revolutionary on paper. But is the hype real? Today, I'm going to explore how these lenses perform and help you decide if they are worth the investment. I'll start by shooting a quick test, and once I have a better feel of their unique character, I'll decide if it's finally time to replace my older lenses with the Arcanas. So now it's time to show how these lenses perform. I think I found the perfect place for a first taste of all three focal lengths. So why am I so excited about these lenses? I've been dreaming of a lens set like this for years. After testing tons of anamorphic lenses on this channel, I think the Arcana lenses might just mark the start of a new era. For years, I've tested anamorphic lenses that all had one thing in common. They suffered from the almost there syndrome. First, it was the Surrey lenses. They had a very low squeeze factor of 1.33x and over-the-top lens flares. At the time, it was a revolution because they were 20 times cheaper than official cinema anamorphic glass. But they weren't quite there yet. Then came Great Joy, with better quality flares and higher squeeze factors. However, those lenses were incredibly heavy and not really fast, which meant you lacked subject separation. It was a great evolution, but again, almost there. After that came a series of lenses that all followed the exact same path, being quite good, but almost there. The Viltrox Epics had fantastic image quality, but they were so heavy and expensive. The Blazer Remus lenses were affordable and lightweight, but their image quality wide open was far from clean. Once again, they were really good, but almost there. The Arcana set is, in my opinion, the first one to check all the boxes and stop being almost there. They have the perfect 1.5x squeeze ratio for full-frame cinema cameras. The set offers a 32mm, a 45mm and a 75mm, covering most of your focal length needs. They are incredibly affordable for this level of quality, at around $1,000 a lens. They are lightweight and compact. They deliver exceptional image quality even wide open. They offer great close focus ability and beautiful flares. And finally, their design is gorgeous. Each lens in this set features impressive close focusing abilities compared to most anamorphic lenses on the market. And if you want to get even closer, you can easily add diopters to the front of the lens to capture true macro shots. The Arcanas aren't the easiest lenses to flare. But when they do catch the light, the flares have a beautiful organic quality. I actually noticed a distinct difference in the flare character between the three focal lengths. The 75 had the most structured flare, the 45mm had the most fractured look, and the 32 delivers a very clean, linear flare. If I had to use one word to describe the Arcanas, it would be sharp. Maybe even too sharp. They are so crisp that they are actually much easier to pull focus with a small monitor compared to the Blazer Remus. The chromatic aberration control on the Arcana is easily the best I've seen on any budget Chinese anamorphic lens so far. The entire series features a specialized oval aperture design, ensuring a consistent oval bokeh at every T-stop. This design element is meant to replicate the vertical waterfall bokeh of traditional 2x anamorphic lenses. Even if the effect isn't quite as magical as it is on a true 2x anamorphic lens, it's still highly impressive. But what if you don't have the budget to buy the full lens set? If you can only afford one lens from the set, go with the 45mm. It's wide enough to capture beautiful establishing shots, tight enough for portraits, and excellent for subject separation. If you have the budget for two lenses, I would grab the 32mm and the 75mm. That way you cover both extremes of the range. Just keep in mind that the 32mm does come with some noticeable barrel distortion. So will I sell all my anamorphic lenses and only keep the Arcana set? I will definitely keep my 2x lenses and my anamorphic adapters. But as for the other lenses, they are gone. Overall, these are the best entry-level options in the budget full-frame anamorphic category. Performance-wise, they easily eat the Blazers and Sirius for breakfast. They remind me of the Atlas Mercury lenses, but on a very small budget. I had a lot of fun testing these lenses, and they are without a doubt my favorite budget anamorphic lenses yet. I'll be making more videos comparing the Arcana set to other anamorphic options. So if you want to see those experiments and support the channel, please subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you soon.